my channel. Today we have another fun food Friday just for you. I am a mom of 4 and also a special education teacher, and I started this channel and doing Fun Food Fridays because that's what we did in class before we were quarantined. And so we're back with some fall recipes and some fun ideas that you can do at home with your kids or with your parents, who's ever watching. And so we have a 3-ingredient pumpkin muffin, so easy. And we're gonna make 2 little twists on it today. And so we are so glad that you're here with us and are gonna make these muffins with us. I'm going to be a part of an open tag, so you're gonna get tons of fall recipes if you head over to Moss Family TV, and I'll link her description below. And everybody is doing a fall recipe on Fridays for the month of September. So to get started, let's go over our materials and our ingredients. Okay, so we're going to start off with our ingredients. So you're going to need a cake mix box. You can use a spice cake, a yellow cake, a white cake, a chocolate cake. Any of them will work, and all will give you a little bit different taste. And then you're going to need pumpkin. We had pumpkin left over from our last recipe, so just 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, not the filling, not pie filling. And then we are going to add chocolate chips into half of our muffins, and we are going to top the other half with cream cheese frosting. So it's up to you what variations you want to add. You can do walnuts, pecans, whatever you guys want to do to your muffins, or you can just leave them plain because they're perfectly delicious like that. And then for our materials, the kids have already put in liners into 24, and we're going to try to get 24 muffins out of this. And then we also have, our little scoop, our liners, a fork to mix, and a bowl. And that's all you need. It's so easy. You're gonna preheat your oven to 350, and these will bake for about 15 to 18 minutes. But just be sure to keep checking on your oven because everybody's oven is different. All right. Okay, we split up our pumpkin into 2 bowls, and in half we're gonna do a cup of chocolate chips. A little bit more than that, Grandpa.
Okay, let's put some.
A little bit more. Okay, let's stop. All right, so here are our chocolate chips. And then this is our plain, and we're gonna top that with cream cheese frosting. So now we're gonna get them into our liners. All right, they are all done. It took about 18 minutes. And we frosted these, and we left these unfrosted, but you can always frost these. Also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We hope you like them.
That was Mom, actually. All right, so.
You can thank the Lord for the delicious pumpkin muffins, too.
Because he's the one who made the food.